Fireworks, paper tube printing. Step 1. Prepare these materials: paper tube, scissors, some paints, paper plates or containers, and a piece of black paper. Step 2. To create the fireworks stamp, cut a number of slits into one end of the paper tube and work around the circumference, leaving about a centimeter between each cut. Here is an adaptation. Use an adaptive scissors you may loan from OT or AT Hub to cut the slits into the end of the paper tube. Step 3. Spread the paper tube strips outwards. Step 4. Place the paper tube into a paper plate or container full of paint. Here are some adaptations. Option 1. Use a paper towel tube for a longer and better grip. Option 2. Use a Velcro strap to secure the paper tube onto the student's hands. Step 5. Stamp the paper tube onto the black paper. Here is an adaptation. Tape the black paper to the table to prevent slipping. Step 6. Leave the artwork to dry. Now here is the completed artwork. The end.